Hi guys, my name is Kylie and welcome back to my all-time classic channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of the most requested recipe of all time, which is the classic cinnamon rolls. Well, these cinnamon rolls are so soft, so moist, so fluffy, it's like going into a cloud of goodness. Well, this is a perfect recipe, especially if you're having a group of friends over for brunch. It's super easy and super delicious. So, let's get started.
Now, let's make the buns. First of all, prepare the ingredients as follows. Now, you want to use lukewarm milk because then the yeast will work its way up at its best condition. Next, combine all the ingredients in the mixer and start mixing at medium speed until a dough is formed. Well, it takes roughly about 7 to 10 minutes until the dough has become like this, of course depending on the speed and your mixer as well. Now, don't worry if your dough is a little bit sticky, and don't be tempted to add on more flour, or else your bun's texture will be affected. Then, place your dough into a clean bowl and cover it up with a plastic wrap. Let the dough rest at room temperature for at least an hour, or until the dough has doubled its size. Meanwhile, let's prepare the ingredients for the fillings. All you need is just some cinnamon powder, of course, brown sugar, and some butter. After an hour, just look at how well they're frozen. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, punch out the air and place the dough onto a lightly floured surface to be rolled out. Then divide the dough into 2 pieces and roll out the dough into a rectangular shape. Then, apply soft butter onto the dough and sprinkle a generous amount of the cinnamon sugar. Of course, the more the better. Now, slowly roll in your dough, like this. Well, it doesn't need to be perfect, even mine is not perfect. You just need to take your time and try to keep it as tight as possible. Then, you want to cut this into 6 equal pieces and place it into a buttered pan. Repeat the same for the other half of the dough. Make sure to leave a little bit of space in between the buns, as they are going to expand further when they are baked. Now, cover it up with a plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for about 40 to 45 minutes before baking. See how beautiful they've risen, and now it's time to bake. Pop them into a preheated oven and bake at 190 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Oh, that smell of cinnamon is killing me! And ta-da! Look at them! Beautifully baked! And there you go, all ready for some drizzle. Now for the cream cheese drizzle, prepare the ingredients as followed. Firstly, mix your room temperature cream cheese and butter together with a whisk. Then, stir in your sifted icing sugar. Lastly, add in your vanilla essence and the milk. Well, make sure you add your milk little by little. You can stop when you get the consistency that you want. The fun part. It's time to drizzle. Drizzle away across the cinnamon rolls. I just can't wait to eat this. Look at how soft and fluffy they are. This sweet and creamy cream cheese drizzle just complements really well with this soft and fluffy cinnamon rolls. Oh, every bite of this is like heaven. Try it yourself. It's super delicious and easy to make. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.